behind the lines y empezamos en 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match number 83 officially underway here on the Curie division. We've got robots scoring some game pieces. 9609 sadly losing their algae in their autonomous period, but they're going to pick up the second one for Red Alliance. Toss it on in there like a free throw and sinking that in. But Blue Alliance is going to be the ones to jump ahead with a score of 43-34 in favor of Blue. We've got ranks number 6 versus rank number 4 in one of our final few qualification matches. This is going to have some heavy implications on our rankings for tomorrow's Alliance selection. Team 4646 Wildcard Robotics racing themselves on up to try to drop off a piece of coral with their black powder-coated robot reaching on up to the skies, taking it in from the floor like it's a vacuum. 9609, their partners, the Paradox from Mumbai, India, looking to do the same, but retrieving from the human feed station and placing it onto level 4 by extending their robot arm up into the air as high as possible. They're going to send their rookies, the Pizza Bites, to start scoring into the processor area and get some point scoring rolling. They'll cost them 6 points to put it in there, and it'll be 4 points for Blue once it's scored. But Blue Alliance is going to say thank you for that one. Back on the Blue Alliance side of the field, they're trailing by only about 15 points, but they can make that up pretty easily with a handful of coral being scored on their reef, depending on which level they choose to do. They've got open slots on level 4. That'll maximize their scoring potential. 5112, the Gondoliers, taking over on level 2. 10154 on red. It looks like they may be beached on an algae, but their partners is going to try to bop it out from underneath them. That is some gracious professionalism and cooperation if I've seen it. 4611 Ozone Robotics currently ranked number 6. Reaching themselves on over to their human feed station to try to place on some coral. Their partners, the Gondoliers, sinking one onto level 4 as well. Red Alliance extending their lead to a score of 170-138. They're racing back and forth, currently uninterrupted, but 4192 is going to start retrieving some coral from the Red Alliance station, try to shake them all about. Play a little bit of zone coverage on the Red Alliance in order to reduce their lead. It looks like they might be doing man-to-man coverage on 9609 as it's coming over a piece of algae. That sound means it's time for our end game. Teams are going to shift their focus towards the barge and start coming towards the surface. 9609, the Paradox from India, lining themselves on up onto the cages. We got one Red Alliance robot up in the air. We got 2 Red Alliance robots up in the air. Can we see a couple of Blue Alliance robots up in the air? Looks like we got one. And we'll be back with your official results in just a morning. Be the Red Alliance with a score of 223-188. Red Alliance walking home with all 6 ranking points. Blue Alliance taking home 3. Like I said when we began, this is going to have some heavy